Muri seiko muri Zimbabwe hamanisha mwari kumati mana inyika pamungave muri muzuva ranhasi anava iye 28 November 2025 apo muri Zimbabwe tichitarisa pamwe chete nekuongorora kuti chiko chiri kutora nzvimbo munyika yedu yeZimbabwe pamwe chetewo nedzimwe nyika dzakatikomberedza. So kana kari kekutanga muri Zimbabwe kusvika pano paZimstream TV tinokukumbirisa nenyasha dzaMwari, tinokukumbirisa nenyasha dzaJehovha kuti ugare waita like, subscribe, then turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any video, so that you will never miss any update. Muri Zimbabwe muzuva ranhasi panguva ino takubatirai update maringe nemashoko atasangana nawo isusu mubepanhau reZimLife publication pane mashoko ekuti iwo ZRP urges patience as extradition of Ecobank Yeast Brothers drags on. So zviri kunzi izvo neZimbabwe Republic Police vanhu ngavamboita patience apo parikuda kuitwa extradition of Ecobank Yeast Brothers, vanhu vakaba mari kuEcobank 4 million iya muri Zimbabwe, mabrothers acho kana kuti team racho rinoda kuitwa extradited to Zimbabwe. Ndo zviri pano muri Zimbabwe zvatiri kusangana nazvo. So this extradition yava in process. So zviri kunzi aiwa chimbomirirai, musamhanya, be patient. Ndo zviri pano muri Zimbabwe. Toverenga bepanhau iri kuti tinzwe kuti zviri kunzi chiko neZimLife publication. So in ZimLife publication inonzi izvo police investigators are working flat out to extradite the Vumbunu brothers, the alleged masterminds of Zimbabwe's biggest cash heist, an official said on Wednesday. Authorities have already secured the extradition of 39-year-old Bekani Mulilo, one of the alleged robbers from Botswana. He appeared in Bulawayo court last week and he was remanded in custody to December. Those ripano zvati kusangana nazvo chinzi authorities have already secured the extradition of Bekani Mulilo, one of the alleged robbers from Botswana. So this guy ndio kuBotswana, so wangatova kuBotswana. So zvikunzi that guy akatobviswa ikoko akaunzwa kupi kuZimbabwe akaenda kukoti. So zvikunzi akaiswa, he was remanded in custody to 5 December 2025. Ndo zvatiri kusangana nazvo. Ngativerengei bepanhau iri zvizere kuti tinzwe kuti zviri kunzi chiko. National Police spokesperson Commissioner Ponyati said legal processes were still underway to bring Abraham Temai Vumbunu and Elijah Temai Vumbunu back to Zimbabwe. The pair were arrested by South African police on July 5. Police linked the brothers and Molilo to the October 3, 2024 gun raid at an Ecobank branch in central Bulawayo, during which a gang seized cash boxes containing $4 million. At least 7 men took part in the daylight robbery as safeguard security guards fried the cash out of the bank. Police have named Simon Zola Ngikobo Menzeli Mbofu and a man identified only as a Khalid Nitman as persons of interest. A safeguard supervisor arrested in connection with the robbery was released without charge. So ndo zviri pano zvakare chenzi pane a safeguard akatoitwa zvakare arrested, a safeguard supervisor vakatoitwa zvakare arrested in connection with the robbery, and zvinonzo zvakare akaitwa released without any charge. Ndo zviri pano. Nyati, addressing a press briefing in Bulawayo, said investigators had uncovered evidence of possible collusion between the brothers and the bank staff. There are clear procedures and protocols to be followed. You can't just take anybody without observing legal requirements. He said the extradition process in South Africa, they have to appear before the courts. Therefore, they have to appear before the courts there before being remanded to Zimbabwe. He said police were now certain the robbery involved inside people, nothing similarities with other recent high-profile robberies where employees leaked operational information. Ndo zviri pano ngatienderere mberi tichiverenga pepanawo iri kuti tinzwisise. So as we are seeing, it is clear we now know they were working with inside people. He said we have been seeing cases where inside information is used. That is why we are urging companies, including financial institutions, to vet their employees. Ndo zviri pano chenzi vanoona kuti chituka chakaitika ichi chinoratidza kuti pane munhu ari inside anga achishanda. Vachitiwo zvakare ndosaka vachikurudzira kuti macompanies before vaemploya vanhu ava vanofanira kuvavheta kuti vaone kuti vanhu ava havasi maspy here. Nyati cited a recent case involving a robbery where a driver sent to collect 10,000 allegedly connived with relatives to stage a robbery. Sometimes people stage robberies. He warned companies must not take things for granted. We must stop allowing employees to work with outsiders and steal from the companies involved investment. So ndizo zvatiri kusangana nazvo. As we are seeing, he urged businesses to strengthen internal controls, saying law enforcement alone cannot stop syndicates exploiting staff members to gain access to large sums of cash. During Lilo's court appearance, prosecutors also revealed that the gang had not only targeted the EcoBank branch in the city center, but also the bank's Bradfield branch. Ndo zviri pano zvatiri kusangana nazo. So bepana iri chipedzisa muri yeZimbabwe rinongoti iro. From the 9th Avenue and 5th Street branch, the gang allegedly seized cash boxes containing 3,983,500 along with 3 firearms taken from safeguard guards. An additional cash box containing 465,500 was stolen from the Bradfield branch, bringing the total amount stolen to 4,449,000. So ndo zviri pano. So zviri kunzi mari yakabiwa ku EcoBank neyakazobiwa zvakare ku Bradfield branch yakazopa iyo total ye 4,449,000. ndo zviri pano zviri kubudiswa. The National Prosecuting Authority further disclosed that the Ford Ranger used in the robberies was registered in the name of Nomsa Angelini Sinzela and he had been driven into Zimbabwe from South Africa. The robbers allegedly replaced the South African number plates with fake Zimbabwean plates in preparation for the haste. So ndo zviri pano muri yeZimbabwe zvatiri kusangana nazvo. Mangozvinzwira mega nyaya iyi. Tichisosangana zvakare pano paZimstream TV munguva inotevera tichizokuudzai kuti chiko chinenge chaitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. For you to be part and parcel yezvese zvai nazvo pano, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. It's bye for now.